Welcome back to Branded Cars, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're a car enthusiast who loves style, power, and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Audi Q8, a luxury SUV that's redefining performance and elegance. Stay tuned as we break down its stunning design, powerful performance, and advanced features. The 2025 Audi Q8 arrives with a refreshed look that blends sophistication with aggression. The front fascia boasts a bold, octagonal single-frame grille, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Sleek LED headlights with Audi's signature digital daytime running lights provide a sharp, futuristic touch. The muscular hood lines and sculpted side panels enhance its sporty yet luxurious appeal. Moving to the rear, you'll find a sleek LED light bar that spans the width of the vehicle, creating a striking visual effect both day and night. Step inside the 2025 Audi Q8, and you're greeted with a cabin that's all about premium comfort and cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials like Valcona leather, brushed aluminum, and optional carbon fiber trim create a refined atmosphere. The dual-screen MMI touch response system remains the centerpiece of the dashboard, offering seamless control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus provides a fully digital instrument cluster with sharp graphics and customizable displays. Passengers can enjoy enhanced comfort with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, ensuring every drive is a luxurious experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q8 offers impressive performance options to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that delivers around 335 horsepower, providing a smooth yet powerful ride. For those seeking more thrill, the SQ8 variant boasts a twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, producing up to 500 horsepower. This powerhouse accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional grip and stability, whether you're cruising down highways or tackling challenging terrains. Plus, with adaptive air suspension, the Q8 offers a perfect balance between sporty handling and luxurious comfort. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Audi Q8 is packed with advanced features to enhance safety, connectivity, and convenience. The updated infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Audi's latest driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. The Q8 also introduces improved augmented reality navigation, projecting clear directions directly onto the windshield for safer and more intuitive guidance. For those prioritizing efficiency, Audi offers a plug-in hybrid version of the Q8 that combines a powerful engine with an electric motor. This model not only enhances fuel economy but also allows for short all-electric drives, perfect for city commuting. The 2025 Audi Q8 doesn't just impress with its features, it also delivers outstanding practicality. The spacious interior offers ample room for 5 passengers, with generous legroom and cargo space. The rear seats fold down easily, providing even more storage capacity for luggage, sports gear, or shopping hauls. With thoughtful design details like ambient lighting, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, every journey becomes a first-class experience. In terms of customization, Audi offers a variety of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trims to match your personal style. Whether you prefer a sleek, understated look or a bold, aggressive stance, the 2025 Audi Q8 offers plenty of options to make it uniquely yours. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that combines powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional comfort, the 2025 Audi Q8 is an outstanding choice. Its refreshed design, innovative features, and versatile performance make it a standout in its segment. That's all for today's look at the 2025 Audi Q8. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Branded Cars for more updates on the latest automotive trends. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.